Ever wondered what happens when you sneeze in space? Astronauts face a unique challenge when it comes to this everyday bodily function. In zero gravity, sneeze droplets don't fall to the ground. Instead, they float. These suspended droplets can linger in the air for much longer than on Earth. This poses a potential health risk for other crew members on board. So, what's NASA's secret? Special masks and air filtration systems help capture these floating sneeze particles. But here's the weirdest part. Some astronauts report that sneezing in space feels different. Without gravity pulling fluids down, the sensation can be more intense and ticklish. So next time you sneeze, be grateful you're on Earth, where your sneeze stays grounded.